Big bullish candle for Dow Jones last week. The last to last week, I told you that double bottom is seen and possibly it may try to stay bullish. And if it is opens above and trades bullish, certainly we can see higher highs. See, this time it has gone close to 33,330 levels, closing in a very bullish note. Now, what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with this bullish momentum and break out on the upside, or we can see a retracement from here? Which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy. Do watch till the end. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for Nasdaq and Dow Jones very early in the day with the Asia session and next with the US session. Do watch both. Let's start. First, charts alone, followed with indicators. Now, look at the daily chart. See, after consolidating for a while, and we did see this in our daily analysis multiple times that it has consolidated, it is looking for a breakout, and this time, after giving it lower highs, higher lows, it is given a very strong bullish candle. Now, see, lower highs are still there. I will wait for it to stay above 33,500 and then because 33,500 previously was a resistance, now also it is going to remain a good resistance and hence wait for it to break out and stay above 33,500. That is something I will look forward to. If it stays above 33,500, the target is going to be 34,000, 34,400 levels. Now see, first thing, yes, it is a breakout and this is a very strong bullish momentum. It can continue also. Do not think that it is going to stop here. If it stays above 33,500, we can see it continuing for a little while. Also, second part is that this is extreme bullishness. Now, if it opens flat next week, tries to trade downside, remember now 33,000, 32,800 is going to remain a very good support. Till 32,500 we have got very good support. Also remember, it has got a very strong building base. So once the base is strong, the building can go higher, can go taller, and hence you have to be careful with the short entry right now till 32,500. Do not consider this as bearish. That is the first observation. Now coming to the weekly chart. On the weekly charts last week I told you, see, double bottom is seen and there is a pullback. If it opens flat and trades above, certainly more bullishness may prevail. Now that is what has happened. It is almost reverse, almost symmetrical formation, almost achieved the same levels what we had seen the previous closing. So what it is doing is the symmetry here. So symmetry means it can also replicate this candle. That is something that means a red candle can come and then the bullish reversal. So that could be a perfect symmetrical move for the month there, and hence next week is going to be important, possibly achieving slightly higher levels at 33,500. It can show you a slight pullback coming back till towards 32,800, 32,500 levels, and then the rally may resume. This is also if it is willing to give you this almost identical formation then and then only, else it can continue with the bullish momentum from here itself 33,500. If it stays above, certainly it is going to be called bullish in the next few weeks. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. First, also on the weekly charts, one more observation here. Now look on the weekly chart, see this tall bullish move and then this bearishness. Now it is willing for a breakout. This means any breakout above 34,500 levels, this time it is going to achieve higher highs or all-time highs. Remember this fact, if it breaks past this zone, if it breaks past 34,500, 35,000 zone, this time it is going to achieve higher or all-time highs again. So this is something I will look forward to. But look at the monthly. This is more important because see, look at this lower highs, lower lows, bullish candle, and I'll wait for it to break out or break past 34,000 levels in order to turn bullish, and specifically these levels here, 34,500 levels. So if it stays above this zone, you can confirm that US30 is breaking out and we can see a sharp bullish candle taking it till towards 35,500, 36,000 levels. So this is something you should wait for. Also, now remember, previous candle was a retracement, a red candle, a green candle, and you can see this, the formation is almost symmetrical, red, green, and now this candle will decide which direction it wants to take, staying above 33,500. Now see, forming double top is something I will wait for. In fact, slightly higher highs means 33,800 levels. Till there, we have to be, in fact, do not consider that it is going to stay bullish for the month. But once it breaks out beyond 33,500, 800 zone, you can say that it is going to achieve higher highs. 35,000 levels can also be seen there for the month of April. Also next week, see first green candle, the next candle will decide, and hence staying above 33,500, stay long for 33,800. And if it breaks past this, then 34,000 and beyond that, sky is the limit. 34,500, 35,000 levels. But at the same time, one must not forget that a pullback on the downside, breaking below 33,000 and 32,800 levels, stay short, and it is going to give you further lows for the month. Now we will see with the help of indicators which direction it can be. Most probably it can try to take. Look at the daily charts. It is now trading at the first half over the top of the, or outside the Bollinger Bands, and hence it may get a pullback. Also look at the uh, moving averages. They have started to converge here. They have started to look upwards. It is trading above the 20-50-100 moving average, and also simple and exponential both, and hence till 33,000 one can stay bullish. In fact, it can try to get the support at those levels. The stochastic is back to overbought levels. The MACD on the other hand is divergent bullish, and this is extremely divergent and extremely bullish. It is still looking upwards and showing its intent that it can continue with the bullish momentum for a little while. RSI is looking upwards and showing little strength. And if you look at the weekly, on the weekly charts also, it is trading above the 20-50-100 exponential moving average and slightly below the 20 and 100 period simple moving average, slightly positioned at 33,500, 33,800 levels. Look at the stochastic. This was oversold and now looking upwards, looking bullish. At the same time, the MACD have started to converge again and looking forward to a bullish crossover. If it does, certainly it can try to achieve these highs here. RSI is also trying to look upwards, staying bullish. Now look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, yes, this last month we had seen lower highs, lower lows, and now see the moving averages are still trading with divergence. The support there at 32,500, very, very strong. Also look at the stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD on the other hand is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. It is, see, it is almost certain that whenever US30 has seen such levels, it has always tried to cross over, and since then we have seen higher highs. So this is at these levels will decide which direction it wants to take. So April month is going to remain crucial. A drop below 32,000 is going to be an extreme bearishness. It is going to bring an extreme bearishness for US30, where it can once again drop and trade below 32,000 levels. The RSI is also looking downwards. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, we know now that what could be expected for next week and what could be expected for the month of April. Now let me write it down, let me pen it up for you, the levels which you should take an entry and you should watch out for. And please do listen to it carefully. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Let's start first to look into the buying entries. Now see, 33,350 itself you can buy. Directly one can expect 33,500 levels. This is the first resistance. 33,500, 33,600, 20 and 33,800. Now see, this is the first milestone at 33,500 that you should note for, and beyond that it will try to stay further bullish only and only if the, in fact, till 34,000 levels there will be an opportunity for pullback, and yes, it can achieve those levels. But beyond that, for this one, for next month, stay long, and 34,500, 35,000 levels can be seen. But right now you have to look for the near term, that is 33,500, 33,800 zone, going to play a very important role. And yes, as it brings US30 on an overbought levels on the daily chart, we may see a little retracement from those levels till towards 33,200, 33 or 32,800 levels also, and then finally pulling it back towards the end of the month. This is how we can expect. But you should just trade as per the levels and stick to the levels. Keep booking the profits at these levels and keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Now for the sell entries, the only sell entry 33,240 you can sell here. Expect 33,100 and 33,000 levels. Very, very good support at 33,000. Previously this was the resistance. Now it is going to be the support here. 32,900, 32,800. Now these levels are very important. Beyond that, 32,500 is the next support levels, and if it breaks below 32,500, then only one can consider that it is going to crash further. 32k, 31,800 and below levels. I don't think so in the month of April we are going to see those levels, but I am not the one who run markets. This is my expectation that we may see it trading bullish from here. 34,500, 35,000, 35,500 levels can also be expected in the month of April itself. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my single channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.